Hello guys, here 18 minus 6 is 12 divided by 3 times 4 plus 2. Here 12 divided by 3 is 4 times this 4 plus 2. Here 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2 is 18 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, PEMDAS, this 18 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, this is exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priorities, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority than other operations. So we don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is the exponent. In this problem, we don't have the exponent. Here we have subtraction, division, multiplication and addition. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 18 minus this is both are equal priority. The division and multiplications are both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to follow here left to right rule. Here left to right is this one, 6 divided by 3. We have to do this division before this multiplication. So 6 divided by 3 is 2 times this 4 plus 2. Here we have subtraction, multiplication and addition. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction and addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 18 minus 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is this 18 minus 8. 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 2. Here 10 plus 2 is 12 is the correct answer.